so this closure wig will be glueless, got to be less, adhesive-less. I'm literally just going to be styling on my head, and that's it. No product to melt it down. It's going to be able to be taken on and off at my own leisure, but it's going to look melted. So I did go in and did me like a skunk stripe on this closure bob. So I'm excited to actually be doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. This is the lace, but before I cut the lace off, I'm gonna add my foundation color and then just cut it off and put it on my head. This is how the hair looks so far, guys. That's the skunk stripe that I added in it, and I have nothing on this hair. It's gonna be one of those throw on and throw offs as you please, and I'll be right back to style.